Hey everyone, welcome back to Miss English AI, the place where English feels real, useful, and honestly, a little fun too. I'm Paul, and today we're stepping into one of the most important travel situations ever. Because no matter where you go in the world, one thing is guaranteed. You'll need to check in to a hotel. And trust me, after a long flight, the last thing you want is confusion at the front desk.
Oh, yes, especially when you're tired, your brain is half asleep, and suddenly the receptionist asks you 5 questions in English. That's when panic mode activates.
Exactly. So today, we're going to fix that. Ina will be the guest, I'll be the receptionist, and together we'll show you how a real American hotel check-in conversation sounds. Simple, natural, and confident.
All right, let's do this. I just landed, I'm exhausted, and I desperately need my room key.
Good evening. Welcome to the City View Hotel. How may I help you today?
Hi, good evening. I'd like to check in, please. I have a reservation under the name Ina Williams.
Of course, Miss Williams. May I please see your ID or passport?
Sure, here you go. And just letting you know, I've been traveling for 12 hours, so if I sound sleepy, that's why.
No worries at all. You're definitely not the first guest to say that today. Let me pull up your reservation.
Thank you. Honestly, I've been dreaming about this moment since the airplane food.
I completely understand. All right, I see your booking here. You reserved a standard king room for 2 nights, checking out on Sunday. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right. 2 nights. Hopefully with a very comfortable bed.
You'll be happy to know our beds are one of our strongest features. Many guests say they sleep better here than at home.
Wow, careful. I might cancel my return flight.
We hear that a lot. Now, I'll just need a credit card for payment and a small security deposit.
No problem. Here you go.
Thank you. We'll place a temporary hold on your card for incidentals like room service or minibar items. The unused amount will be released after checkout.
That's totally fine. I promise I'll try to stay away from the minibar. No guarantees, though.
That's between you and the snacks. All right, everything is set. Your room number is 714 on the 7th floor. Here's your key card.
Amazing. That little card just became my best friend.
The elevators are right behind you. Just tap your key card inside the elevator to access your floor.
Got it. Oh, quick question. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is served from 6:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. in the Morning Light Cafe on the first floor.
Perfect. I believe breakfast is the most important meal, especially when it's included.
Couldn't agree more. We also have 24-hour coffee in the lobby, just in case jet lag hits hard.
Exactly. You just made my night so much better.
Is this your first time visiting the city?
Yes, it is. I'm really excited, but also a little lost already.
That's completely normal. We're located near public transportation, and taxis are always available outside. If you'd like, I can also give you a city map.
Yes, please. That would be super helpful.
Here you go. I've marked the hotel, popular attractions, and a few great places to eat nearby.
Wow, that's amazing. Thank you for being so helpful.
It's our pleasure. If you need anything during your stay, just dial 0 from your room phone.
I definitely will. One last thing. What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 12 noon. Late checkout is available on request, depending on availability.
Perfect. I'll see how my schedule looks.
Sounds good. Enjoy your stay, Miss Williams, and welcome to the City View Hotel.
Thank you so much. I already feel at home.